Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Burn Crash and today we're going to be making penne arrabbiata pasta. Let's get right into it, guys. We will start by blanching tomatoes. Take some water in a pan. Add some salt. Now lightly cut the tomatoes tip like this. This will help peel off the cover once they are blanched. Once your water starts boiling like this, add your tomatoes for 30 seconds each. Before adding your next batch, wait for the water to start boiling like this again, then add your next batch of tomatoes. Remember to not add too many tomatoes as the tomatoes reduce the temperature of the water. Again, after 30 seconds, we will take out the tomatoes and let them cool for a bit. Give the tomatoes a cold water bath to stop the cooking process. Now these tomatoes will be very easy to peel. Take out the peel and get them together. Once all the tomatoes are peeled and the eyes are taken out, cut them in halves and put them in a blender. You can add all the tomatoes in your blender. We don't need to add any water or anything to it. Make sure you get all the tomato juices. Yum! And now let's blend. Wait, did I forget something? Yes, I did. Make sure you cover your blender. Blend well. Blend well. Our puree is ready. Let's keep this aside. For 10 medium tomatoes, let's take 2 medium onions. Pro tip, take out the eyes of the onions as well. It makes them a little sweeter. Cut up your onions into quarters and add them to the blender. We will add just a little bit of water and blend. Take some olive oil in a pan, lots of it. Add garlic to the oil and a lot of chili pepper. We are using crushed red chili pepper here. Now we will turn the gas on and let the oil infuse the pepper and garlic flavors. We have added a lot of chili pepper because arrabbiata means spicy and angry pasta. Once your garlic starts turning brown, add your onions. We are adding the onion to it. Once the onion is done, you can tell the onion is done by the way it's cooking. You can see the oil floating on top. Once the onion is done, add the tomato paste that we just made. Black pepper. We will cook the tomato puree till it's about 3/4 of its original volume on high flame. For the pasta, take water in a pan. Add a lot of salt and let it come to boil. Once the water starts boiling, add pasta. When your pasta looks almost done, they are done. An easy way to check if it is done is try and break a small piece of pasta. If it breaks easily, they are good. Don't cook them too much, otherwise they will get mushy. Add your pasta to the puree. And we are done. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.